Welcome to this second video of Helium 10. I am using this tool Cerebro and I am using this to find the keywords for a best-selling book in my niche. For example, if I want to publish a coloring book for toddlers, I could search toddlers coloring book in the search bar and then look at the best sellers. I want to target this one and I want to know what are the keywords this book is ranking for on the first page and what are their keywords for running Amazon ad campaigns. So I can quickly find this data using Helium 10. All I need to do is copy this ASIN and then go to tools and here on Cerebro, and here I can paste my ASIN and then get keyword ideas, and I will load from history because I have done this before. So it will quickly show me what keywords this book is ranking for. There are total 8,400 keywords, and out of these 8,400, 7,202 are the organic one and 2,057 are the paid ones. Let me analyze these even further by using some filters. All I interested in is search volume and the sponsored rank. This means at what position they are ranking for Amazon ads, and this is their organic rank. I am interested in these three factors. So to use this even on the better basis, I will need to apply some filters. Like here I can add search volume minimum 100 and the competing products 2000 at max. And by applying this filter, I will have very less competitive keywords and I can potentially rank on the first page of Amazon. So here we can see I am interested in first this organic rank and this search volume. Color book, they are ranking on the first page for this keyword with the 362 is the search volume and the organic rank is first. Then is ABC coloring book for kids ages 3 to 5. Search volume is 441 and the organic rank is 1 again. Alphabet coloring book for toddlers 1 to 3. They are ranking on the second spot. Now search volume is 352. This I think is Spanish word obsessed with the man of house. This is irrelevant keyword. This is some different language. Jumbo coloring books for toddlers 1 to 3. They are ranking at the number 3 spot. So in this way I can quickly find long tail and low competition keyword this book is ranking for. So I can use this information to create my own book, and then to use their Amazon ads keywords I just can sort by this sponsored rank and see their ads are ranking on the number 1 position for these keywords. Lego coloring book, they are running ads for this keyword and the book is ranking number 1. Search volume is 668. 1 leaf, 2 leaves, count with me. They are most probably running ads for this keyword as well. 287 search volume and the sponsored rank is 1. What your kindergartner needs to know. They are ranking on the number 1 spot as sponsored listing and the search volume is 363. Astronaut books for kids 3 to 5. Mr. Potato Head for toddlers. They are ranking a lot of loosely related as loose match keywords for Amazon ads. Fingerprint activities, animals, ABC, and 1 to 3 is zombie coloring book for kids, and a lot of others. So this is the way you can find keywords for these best-selling books using the Cerebro tool. This comes with diamond plan and platinum plan. Diamond plan is normally for $99 per month, but you can get for next 3 months 30% off. Link is in the description below. So this was a quick video about Cerebro tool. I have another video on the magnet tool that was detailed one. You can also watch this by following the link in the description below. So that is all from me today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.